With the winter riding season upon us, it's important that you're going out prepared for the trails and the conditions that you'll be riding in. We're going to show you a couple of things that you can carry with you on your bike to make sure that in the event of an emergency or a change in weather, you're going to be prepared. They fit into a dry bag nicely, or you can just keep them in the box of your ATV or side-by-side. So these are a couple of things that you should think about carrying with you when you go out on your rides. Fresh pair of socks or long underwear, just in case your feet are to get wet or you get splashed in a puddle. Sometimes the ice isn't as thick as you think on the trails and you can break through. You can get wet real fast. A toque or a balaclava, a spare neck warmer. First aid kit is a must at all times of the year when you're on the trails. Someone else might be injured on the trail that you come upon, you can help them out. A spare pair of mittens or gloves to have on the trail with you is very handy. If your hands get wet or you're stuck pulling someone out and your gloves get wet, you have a spare pair to put on to keep your hands nice and warm. Having a shovel or a folding shovel on you on the trail is also very helpful. This one here, it's got a saw, it's got an axe head, and it's got other accessories that can connect to it. It's handy if you're stuck, you can dig yourself out, or if there's a branch down, you can cut it. Keeping a lighter on you, or some sort of way to start a fire, is also very important. In the event that you're stuck long term, you're able to help make a fire to keep yourself warm or to warm up others. Hand warmers are another easy thing to pack in your pack. They take up very little space, and in the event that you're very cold, they're great to have. Keeping some snacks on you is always a great practice to have. You never know how long you're going to be out or if you get delayed. Have something to munch on and something to drink. It's going to change your day. Having an emergency booster pack is a very handy thing to keep on your ATV. In mine, I have a couple of spare fuses as well, just in case. This one, as most of them do, also comes with a flashlight because you'd never want to be caught in the dark without any power. When riding, having a high visibility vest is always recommended. If you're not going to wear it, keep one with you just in case, because if you break down and it gets dark, as it does often get dark very fast, you're going to want people to be able to see you clear as day. When you're out riding at any time, it's always recommended to go with a buddy or to go with a group of people to make sure that no one's ever riding alone. If in the event you are out by yourself, make sure you have a good GPS app or the Quad On app, which will show you all the trails, and you're able to share your location to make sure that other people know where you are in the event they need to find you. Know before you go, ride within your limits. We'll see you on the trails.